Football fans, today transfer gossip is crazy. Big moves, shocking deals and drama everywhere. Let's get straight into it. Manchester United are making big moves this summer. Reports say they have triggered a €35 million deal to sign Youri Tielemans from Aston Villa. This comes as Manchester United continue rebuilding their midfielder after major changes in the squad, but that's not all. They are also pushing for more signings before the window closes. Which transfer do you want to see happen? Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Fans, this is it. A brand new era has begun at Stamford Bridge and the man in charge? Xabi Alonso. But the big question is, will he fix Chelsea, or is this just another rebuild waiting to fail? After a disappointing season, Chelsea decided to make a bold move, bringing in Xabi Alonso as the new manager. Alonso isn't here to play. In his first statement, he made one thing very clear: Chelsea needs more hunger, more passion and a completely new mentality. He's right. Last season, Chelsea lacked identity, consistency, and big money, but not big performances. Now let's talk transfers, because things are already heating up. Chelsea have started selling players, with Andre Santos already gone in a shock move.